Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Cash App Borrow Unavailable Repay Only. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, understand what this message means. It doesn't mean your account is closed. It simply means Cash App has temporarily disabled your ability to borrow money and you can only repay any existing loan. This usually happens due to missed payments, recent chargebacks, or changes in eligibility requirements. Now, the first thing you should do is update your Cash App to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play Store. If you're using a browser, just log in with your credentials. Once inside your account, make sure all your previous borrow payments are fully cleared. If you still owe any balance, go to the Borrow section and repay it. After clearing your dues, refresh your account and check if the feature returns. It's also a good idea to take a screenshot of your repayment confirmation for reference. Next, verify your identity again if required. Go to your profile and tap on Verify Your Identity. Submit your ID or other details if prompted. This helps Cash App confirm that you still meet their borrowing criteria. If the issue still continues, head over to the Support section. Start a chat with a representative, explain that you've cleared your loan, and request a borrower eligibility review. Be polite and clear. This can improve your chances of getting the feature restored. To avoid this problem in the future, try to repay loans early. Maintain regular activity like sending or receiving small amounts, and keep your linked bank account in good standing. And that's it! So that's basically how you can fix Cash App Borrow Unavailable Repay Only. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.